In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up auto replies in Meta Business Suite. Setting up auto replies can be a real game changer for managing your business communications, especially if you're juggling multiple responsibilities or anticipating a high volume of inquiries. Auto replies ensure that your customers receive timely responses, even if you're not available to reply personally. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the Meta Business Suite. This is the central hub where you can manage all your Facebook and Instagram business interactions. You can access it by going to the Business section of Facebook. If you're already logged in, you should see the option to enter the Business Suite. If not, you may need to log in with your business account credentials. Once you're in the Meta Business Suite, look for the Inbox option. This is where you'll handle all your messages and interactions. Clicking on Inbox will take you to a page that consolidates all your messages across Facebook and Instagram. This is where you'll be setting up your auto replies. Now, within the inbox, you should see an option called Automations. Clicking on Automations is the next step in setting up your auto replies. Automations is a powerful tool that allows you to configure automatic responses to common inquiries, ensuring that your customers are always in the loop and never left waiting for long. When you click into Automations, you'll be presented with a variety of options to customize your auto replies. You can set these replies to trigger based on specific customer actions or questions. For example, you might set an auto reply to thank someone for their message and notify them that you'll get back to them shortly. This can be especially useful for managing customer expectations and keeping them satisfied while they wait for a more detailed response. Make sure to personalize your messages. A generic reply might seem impersonal, so try to add a touch of warmth or specific information that relates to your business. This could include your business hours, alternative contact methods, or even a simple thank you for reaching out. Personalizing your message shows your customers that you value their interaction and are attentive to their needs. After setting up your desired automation rules and messages, always remember to test them. Send a test message to your business page to ensure everything is working as intended. You want to make sure that your customers are receiving the correct information and that there aren't any glitches in the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have successfully set up auto replies in the Meta Business Suite. This simple setup can save you time and help maintain strong customer relationships by ensuring prompt communication. Thanks for watching and happy automating.